So you're a creator and you want to create photos that look like this, and you want to create thumbnails that look like that. I mean, maybe not that you guys get the gist. Anyway, I'm not one to waste time, so let's get right into it. In your internet browser, you want to go to remove.bg. That is remove.bg. Upload the photo of your choice and hit the little blue button. "30 seconds later, more like 25, bingo, you got yourself a background removed. Now, I do want to say DSLR cameras with higher megapixels do better on this platform than camera phone pictures. I tried it with my camera phone, which is a Samsung S9, and it did good. I could work with it, but I noticed maybe a few fingers missing or the top part of the hat. It kinda didn't give me as good of a result as it does when you use an actual camera, DSLR, high megapixel. Now it does give you the option to rate it, the picture, the removal of the background, to let them know what's this good, what's this bad, which is the little happy face, or frowny face. And also you can tweak it a little bit, but my suggestion, just use your DSLR camera if you have one. You don't have to tweak anything, and bingo, you are creating the thumbnails that you can remove the background, put the color of your choice to go with your brand's theme, because we all know color is important when branding. And that's all for today, guys. I hope this helps, because we all know new creators, time is money. So hope this saves you a lot of time. And we're growing places on this channel, so you know what to do. Let's go.